my dears. This is Angel, and I'm giving you my third installation of my reimagining of my mom's Thanksgiving dishes. I hope you enjoy and come back for the fourth and the fifth. For the holidays, my mom would make collard greens and string beans, which I found out years later when I started working in an office in Manhattan in my 20s that it's actually called green beans. Anyway, she would make them both, and her collard greens were absolutely delicious. She used either smoked neck bones, smoked turkey, or hog maws. I'm reimagining both of those sides, and I'll be using chicken stock instead of any kind of meat. I'll be using the aromatics, and I'll be using seasonings. Okay, now back to the video. Do you have a favorite side that your mom makes? Put it down in the comment section for me. No mac and cheese, no potato salad now. Okay, back to the video. I buy the collard greens in a bag because it's pre-washed and cut for me. Okay, back to the video. I almost forgot to tell you guys, when I was younger and I had to wash the collard greens in the sink, I found a worm on one of them, a little tiny worm. Oh yeah, the fresh ingredients are wonderful, but you gotta work to get it clean. All right, back to the video. Let me know in the comments if you've ever put any other vegetables inside your sides like I did here with the sun-dried tomatoes. I absolutely love sun-dried tomatoes. To make it easier on yourself, remove the parsley stems before you put the greens in so you won't have to fish for it later. Back to the video. did I reimagine my mom's wonderful collard greens and string beans? I didn't use any pork or any other smoked meat. Instead, I used chicken stock or vegetable stock if you'd like, and the aromatics. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like what you saw today, hit that like button. Leave me a comment, and why don't you subscribe? And return for installation number 4, which should be any day now. Many blessings and much favor, my angels, my dears.